In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a child on Ryanair. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up a flight that you have on Ryanair and acquire child-appropriate tickets. So first, I want to make it very clear that if you have an existing flight ticket, you will not be able to add a child directly to it. So you will have to acquire a new ticket and then link it to the original one or start the process all over again. So all that you have to do is on the Ryanair website or even the mobile app using their function here to look for flights, you will be able to include the origin country and then the destination. So choose appropriately. Once you have picked the airport successfully, choose the dates, it doesn't matter which, and finally, under the passengers, this is where you will be able to actually add a child to your Ryanair flight. So as you can see, they have four options: adults, teens, children, and infants. So choose accordingly. Make sure that you don't forget because like I mentioned, if you have already booked your flight tickets, you will not be able to simply manage it later and then add them. You will have to start this process over and then link the child from here. So you will be able to choose the appropriate amount of children and then teens. Make sure that you read the description here. As you can see, they have to be on this age range at the time of travel. So keep that in mind. Once you have everything selected here, you will be able to proceed. And if you choose an infant, there is also this warning. Infants and any subsidy on the infant booking will be allocated to the first adult passenger on the booking. The infant fee for each baby traveling on an adult's lap is £25, so keep that in mind. So once you click done, you will be able to search and all of the results will be appropriately tailored to what you selected on the filters. So choose whichever one you prefer and you will be good to go to fly on Ryanair with a child. I hope I was able to help you on how to add a child on Ryanair. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.